Hello friends, let's look at this plane geometry that we are asked to find the value of x. Whenever you see questions like this, you make use of every information provided in the question. Just like you have these signs on these sides of the triangle, this indicates that these two sides are equal. And if two sides of a triangle are equal, that makes that triangle an isosceles triangle. And if it is an isosceles triangle, it will have base angles that are equal. So if that is the case, if this XYZ triangle is an isosceles triangle, angle Y is definitely equal to angle Z because they are base angles of isosceles triangle. They are base angle of isosceles triangle. So if we know that, then it means that they are equal. And if we add the two angles that are equal, y plus z plus x, it should give us 180 because they are some angles of a triangle. The sum angle of a triangle is 180. The angles of this triangle are x, y, and z. X, y, and z. So while our x is 40 degrees, so we can say that y plus z plus 40 degrees equals 180 degrees. So y plus z equals 180 minus 40, and that gives us 140 degrees. So if that is the case and y equal to z, I can call both y or both z. So if I say they are both y, you have 2y equals 140 degrees. That implies that y is 140 degrees divided by 2. Angle y is therefore 70 degrees, and angle z is also 70 degrees because both are equal. So if we know that, going back to our triangle, remember we are meant to find the value of x. Then we can decide to say that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. If this is a triangle, these two angles are opposite to this exterior angle. So that this angle is equal to the sum of this interior. Remember, this is 70 and this is 70. So if we add this and this is equal to this exterior angle. Or we can say that this exterior angle plus this one, which is also 70, will give us 180. It is your choice. So if we say it this way, 40 plus 70 equals 13x minus 20. 40 plus 70 is 110 degrees. This 20 will cross here and becomes plus 20 equals 13x. That will give us that 13x is equal to 110 plus 20 is 130 degrees. So x is 130 over 13, and that will give us 10. So x is 10. Or better still, if you decide to say that 70 plus 13x minus 20 is equal to 180. That is angles on a straight line. So when you have that, 70 minus 20 will give us 50 equals 180. And 13x will be equal to 180 minus 50. That will still give us 130. And that will make it that 13x is 130 degrees. And x will be equal to 130 over 13. X therefore is equal to 10 degree. So you can see that